Hello friends, today we will study how to calculate production of Comber machine. We are going to learn calculate production of Comber machine in kg per shift of, of 8 hours, and you will have to assume suitable particulars. So in this case, Comber machine production will be calculated as per the material fed and then reducing according to the noise percentage extracted as per the efficiency of the machine and the bed tension. This means generally we are calculating the production of machine from the delivery roller. It may be in case of carding machine, it may be Doffer or coiler calendar roller or front roller in case of draw frame, or in case of simplex it is front roller. In ring frame also it is front roller, but in Comber today we will study the method that how to calculate the production with respect to feed. Suppose we are feeding 100 kg of material, then suppose that oil extracted is 20%, then we will have to apply correction factor 1 minus oil percentage divided by 100. So that production is calculated. We will have to consider efficiency also, because machine is not running all the time. It may be 85% or any other figure. And bed tension. Why bed tension is to be taken? Because the lap fineness that we are taking, that is in grams per meter. But in Comber, we are applying tension to the lap sheet also. So suppose the 1 meter lap sheet becomes 1.1 meter if 10% tension is given. So whatever lap fineness we are taking, we will have to apply a correction factor. So we are correcting it by dividing it with 1 plus bed tension upon 100. So this correction factor will have to be applied, and we will calculate the production in kg per shift of 8 hours. We know very well Comber is a 8-headed machine. 8 heads are there, 8 laps are fed. So we will have to consider this also. So first of all, we will study the formula to be used. So formula to be used is lap fineness in grams per meter into feed in meters per minute. So if we will multiply these two factors, then it will be grams per minute. To convert it into hours, we will have to multiply by 60. For 8 hours, multiply by 8. Number of heads 8, we will again multiply by 8. And then efficiency. And then 1 minus oil percentage divided by 100, we will have to multiply with this factor. As this will come in grams, so to convert it into kg, we will have to divide by 1000. And the correction factor for bed tension will be 1 plus bed tension upon 100. So with this method, we will calculate the Comber production per shift. So how we will assume the particulars? This is just one example. We may have more or less values which are mentioned in this slide. First important parameter is lap and fed. Suppose it is 70 kilotex. Next is number of heads. We know very well it is generally 8 heads. Noil percent extracted is 20%, means waste extracted in Comber is 20%. Efficiency is 88%. Feed per nip is 5 mm. Nips per minute is 400 nips per minute. And bed tension is 10%. So with these particulars, how we will calculate the production of Comber per shift. So first of all, lab fineness is 70 kilotex. 70 kilotex means 70,000 tex. Or we will also write it 70,000 grams in 1000 meters. Or this may be further written as 70 grams per meter. So 70 kilotex, we may write 70 grams per meter. Feet per minute is, this may be calculated by multiplying feet per nip into nips per minute. Okay. So feet per nip is suppose 5 mm and nips per minute are 400. So feet per minute will be 2000 mm per minute. This implies that 2000 mm means 2 meter per minute. So the production in grams per minute can be calculated 70 grams per minute into 2 meters per minute. If we will multiply, then it will be 140 grams per minute. Means 70 gram per minute, sorry, 70 gram per meter into 2 meter per minute. If we will multiply, meter will cancel out. The result will be 140 gram per minute. So to convert it into hour, multiplied by 60, then for 8 hours, multiply by 8, and for 8 heads, again multiply by 8. 88% is efficiency, multiplied by 0.88. And if 20% is Noel percentage, then 1 minus 20 divided by 100 will be 80 upon 100 or 0.8. For conversion into kg, divide by 1000, and correction factor for bed tension for 10% tension, it will be 1 plus bed tension upon 100. It will be 1.1. If you will calculate, then it will come out to be 344 kg per shift per Comber for 8 heads for 20% Noel percentage. This is one example, and with this we can calculate production of Comber machine. So this is very important and all students must remember this. So this was about Comber production. Thank you.